Welcome to my thatMuffinART channel. How to draw a mountain moon is a great way to learn how to implement light and shadows in your drawings. So the step 1, draw the outline of your moon and then draw the outline of your mountain. For this mountain I created two peaks. Draw this outline slightly as it is just a guideline and will be the erased later. Step 2. Draw the ridges of the mountains. One of the easiest ways is to imagine a pyramid and see where the profile lines will fall in the pyramid for each mountain peak. Then I just make the line more, making it zigzag a bit. Inside the mountain there is a very beautiful and amazing tree. Then you draw a moon. Draw the raised outlet of the mountain using the line we drew in step 1 as guidelines. Erase the original outline drawn in the step 1. Add little shadows along the peaks. Imagine where the sun is positioned on which side will be receiving more light. The tops of the little peaks will be receiving more light and behind the little peaks will be where the shadows fall. Create the shadowed side of the mountain. Darken the side of the mountain that is facing away from your light source. Near the ridge will be darker than the areas that are farther away from the ridge. Create a very beautiful twinkle stars over here. From areas that are most black to areas that are more gray in color in order to make your mountain drawing more realistic. Add some shadows or stars to opposite side of the mountain as well. Go back and erase near the main ridgeline to add highlight. And this is our finished mountain moon drawing. Thank you for watching.